Hey, it's that time of the year again, and I'm not talking about pumpkin spice latte, I'm talking about a free Amazon gift card, $10 to be exact. How do you get that? Well, we're kicking off our Insights survey. This is what we did last year. It's a 52-page report that we did last year where we talked to 150 manufacturers about the top sales and marketing trends of 2019, except this year, it's gonna be for 2020. This is where I'd love your help if you can do this. If you participated last year, you know, and you have this report, you know how awesome it is. Look how chock full of all kinds of data and insights and information that's gonna help you plan for 2020, your budget and your plans and all kinds of amazing things. So we're trying to kick this off a little earlier than we did last year so you can have it in a timely fashion. We're hoping to release this thing around mid-October. So if you can go to industrialsage.com/survey-2020, that's 2020, you can go get started, answer the questions. It's gonna take you about 6 to 10 minutes. And then once we're completely done with the Insights survey, we put everything together and release it, we're gonna send you a $10 Amazon gift card. There's a couple requirements in there that you'll see on the landing page to make sure that you are qualified for this. You need to work for a manufacturer, you need to work in sales and marketing, you need to complete it, and you need to use a business email address, and there might be one more, don't quote me on that. So please, 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 would help, be awesome. This is gonna be an awesome thing. It's gonna really help you. People love this, and I'd really love your help so we can make an even better Insights for 2020.